recording is started here. So we already discussed yesterday module 2 for power query. Fine. So we discussed this topic completely: remove duplicate, split column, merge column, replace value, pivot, unpivot, group by conditional columns, and data type. Correct? We did everything. Now let's go and check whether we have completed the things or not. A split column done. Done. Okay. Then we have after split column we have merge query already done. After splitting we merge the columns. Done. Hope you remember. If you not remember, just go and refer the video. Yeah. You can refer the video also. Okay. After that we have append query. Let's. I think we didn't do this, so let's do it. Append combine row from the multiple tables. Fine. So we can combine the multiple tables. So here in our data set we have three sheet: order sheet, people sheet, and the return sheet. Okay. So see this. We have so many columns here. So I'm not going to choose this sheet because we are not able to understand how it's combined. But this people sheet and the return sheet have only two columns and three columns. Got it? So I'm going to combine this. Let me check first data. Go to the table view and just open the sheet. Under the people sheet, yeah, wait. It's going to open here. What happened? Why it's not visible? Now it's visible. See, we have a column 1 that is person and column 2 is a reason. So two column in the this people sheet and go for return sheet. Just close this one. Activate this one now. See, in this sheet we have three column. One is this written yes. Second is this one. Actually is not visible. So select convert this column into the column headers. Change like this. Wait. Okay. So let's do it. I'm transforming the data and we'll change the header again. Okay. Now click on this. Use first row as a header. So this person is become the header and region is become the header. Again go to the return sheet. Here this is column 1, column 2. Now return order ID and mark. So click on this. Use first row as a header. Done. Return order ID and mark it. Save. Close and apply. Done. So now if you open this, you will see the name. Instead of column, we see the header name. Got it? Now, so a people sheet contain person and the reason, and return sheet contain market, order ID and the return. Fine. Now let's go to Power Query Editor. How to go? Transform data. Go to transform data. Okay, so we have to go to the. I'm not choosing this sheet because this sheet has a large data. So when I append the query, it will. We are not able to see this. So this one and this one, two sheet. I'm going to append. How to append? Go to append query here. Click on append. Append query as a new. Just hold on. See, so already we choose return. So I'm converting this into the people. And second table is return. So people sheet and return sheet. I am going to append. Append means combining, adding. Click OK. Now see what happened. So in the people sheet only two columns, and in the return sheet there are three columns. See, all are added together. People sheet and the return sheet. Okay. See, there is no data for this in the return sheet, and there is no data in people sheet for this column. So it's right null, but it's combined. This is called append query. Okay. So I'm going to cancel this. Not required. Just for your study purpose, I create this. So I'm going to delete. Fine, delete. Done. Now again we have order sheet. Go for the next topic. Append query done. After that we have column profiling. Okay. So in Power Query Editor, we have to go to the add column. Sorry, view. Under the view tab, we will get column quality, column distribution, and column profile. Okay, so we are going to discuss this thing. Under the features are column quality, and then column distribution, and then column profiling. Okay, so under the column profiling, we have these three topics: column quality, column distribution, column profiling. If I click on this column quality, see what happens. We get this valid, error, and empty. So it will tell us about the data, which data is valid. Under this data is valid 100%, no error, no empty. Okay, all the columns are filled. So for because this data is very most of the part is clean, so that's why 100% completed, and there is no error, no empty column or no empty cell. Got it? So if you want to check for other column, you can check it. I don't think so. We'll get yeah, here. Valid 20%, empty 80%, and error 0. In which postal code? Because there is a null value. So many null values. See, that's why. Only 20% data is valid. Okay. Let's find in the other table also. Uh, I don't think so. We'll get in the other column. Yes. Order priority. This is the last one, but so only one column contain 20% and 80%. Okay, so this is column quality. If I click on column distribution, let's see what happens. We get a graph. Okay, so see, each bar show the data. here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 bar. If I click on this, what happens? See, only we have a first class, same day, second class, and standard class. 4 type of different data. That's why it's so 4 column bar. Okay. And here it says, if I touch this, it says row ID 1000 distinct and unique 1000. If I touch this, distinct 955 and unique 940. Out of, yeah, out of, if I touch this, 1000 valid and 0%, wait, touch this one, 4 distinct and 0 unique. Why 0 unique? Because we have a 4 data which all are distinct, different, first class, same day, second class, like this. So we will get this kind of detail from this. Okay. And what about the column profiling? For column profiling, let's suppose I am going to click on some of the value. Let's suppose I click on sales here. Sales column. Just select the sales column. Got it? And click on column profiling. See, we get a bigger graph of this graph into the bigger form. Yeah, yeah, particular column like this. So that is called column profiling. So we will get statical column statics values. Count, error, empty, distinct, unique, NA value, 0, mean, max, average, standard deviation. All are the statics values. And these are the values for each cells. Okay. It shows the percentage as well as the value. Okay. That is called column profiling. Understand? So this is the topic about the column profiling. Done? Column quality, column distribution, column profiling. Yeah. After that we have, let's parameter in a Power Query. So parameter are allow user to create dynamic and reusable query. We can create a query, so we can use anytime. Hello? Yeah, so if we create a parameter, we can use anytime. Reusable query. Example, create parameter year equal to 2025. Use parameter to filter data dynamically. Okay, benefit dynamic report, easy maintenance, user controlled filter, reusable query. So open Power Query Editor, click home, manage parameter, new parameter, give the name of parameter, type of parameter, current value, click OK. Use parameter in a filter or calculation. So parameter cells year equal to 2025, filter year cells. Let's try how we can do that. So we are already in the Power Query Editor. Done. Go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab we have a, yeah, manage parameter here. So click on the arrow, new parameter. Okay. So I want to put this parameter on a some of the columns, like let's suppose I want to put this on the country here. Select the country column, go to the parameter, click on new parameter. Now give the parameter name. I am going to give uh, like find India. Description, anything, whatever you want. Just I'm writing OK. Query tab, it's a text value, correct? Suggested value, if I click list and if I put India, you have to write this word exactly whatever available in the column. Okay, first list, second list. If I write, let's suppose anything, any country like, let me check, like Australia. Just I'm writing Australia. Spelling is wrong. Australia. Now, so list of two and current value. For current value, this is default value. If you we not select, it's automatically give a value. Which value? Just choose India as a default value and click OK. Find underscore India. What is this? Wait, let me try once again. Cancel this. Manage new parameter. Or just simply leave parameter 1. Okay. Click OK. Type text value list value. First country is India. Second country is Australia. Spelling should be correct. AUST RALIA Australia. Default value should be India. I want, and is there a current value? Current value should be India. Fine. Click OK. Oh, that's why it's showing the error. We didn't. Now see, we get a list of two countries here. Okay. So created this parameter. Now, yeah, go to again. Go to our data. Now, where is the country column? Here. Now click on this arrow and go to text filter and equal to here equal to we have just write India, choose or choose here, click OK. So it's filtered the India from the parameter. So this way we can choose. If I change Australia, so this is called parameter. This way we can change the parameter and all. Equal to. Now I'm going to change this. Australia. Is this the spelling? AUSTRLIA. Wait. AUSTRALIA. Australia. Let me try. Table is empty. I think it's not selected like that. Anyway, we have to create parameter like this, and we can select from that. Now, after parameter, so handling the large data set. See, Power Query can process million of the records efficiently when optimized properly. Okay. So best practice, filter early. It means whenever we are loading into the Power BI, the data set, this kind of data set, we can filter the data before that, before loading the data. Okay. So this is the good practice. Apply filter before transformation. Before transformation, filter the data. That is good practice. Filter, transform, and load. Bad practice, transform, filter. After transforming, filter. That is bad practice. Before that, we have to, yes, filter first, then transform and load. Then remove unnecessary column. Keep only required column. Like let's suppose we have a ID, name, address, phone number, and salary, and we want to work on ID, name, and salary. So just remove this column earlier before loading the data. Okay. So this is the second thing. Remove the unnecessary column. Then use correct data type like number data type, date data type, text data type. Already we know. How do you know? Have you remembered? Hello? Have you remember how to change the data type? No problem. So we can change the data type, okay, correctly to improve performance. Then disable unnecessary load. Let's suppose we create a query, some query in a Power Query Editor. So uncheck and enable the load for immediate queries. And then use query folding. Allow Power Query to push operation back to the source data. Example, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. This reduce memory usage and improve the speed. Before, let's suppose if you are uploading the data from the SQL Server, so there are million of the rows, okay, and you want only data from the north region, not the entire world data. Okay, so choose, yeah, only the north region in a Power Query Editor, and then import the data from the SQL Server. So you get only that part, not the entire data, which will take lots of time. Okay, and you get, yeah, most of unnecessary data. So these are the good habit whenever you are cleaning the data or using the Power Query Editor to filter the data. This reduce memory usage and improve the speed. This check folding, right click, applied step, select view, native query. If enable query folding is work. Okay. So these are the tips for this Power Query Advanced. Okay. Uh, yes. Yeah. Yes. In Power Query Editor, not now. And when you go to the Power Query Editor, you will get the columns and rows. So in the columns, you will find the data type. So you can change from the there. Here, see, not visible. Yeah, country. Go to country. I want home. Yeah, because of the filter, we are not able to see that data. Now select all and click OK. So because of the parameter filter, it's not showing the other data. Now I am just clear the filter. Now we have all data. Now here we will find the data type. At the top here, these are the data types. See, in each column at the top, you will find the data type. So give a correct data type for each column. Most of the time, Power Query Editor self provide the correct data type. But in some case, if you don't have any correct data type, just choose the correct data type. Okay. These are the tips for advanced Power Query whenever you are using these things. And some of the interview questions are available at the end of the session. You can read it. Like what is ETL in a Power Query? What is difference between merge and append? What is the column profiling? Why use parameter? What is query folding? Okay. So just I'm going to share all the notes and you please revise and try to learn it, try to do some work. Okay. Fine. So just we will start the module 3 tomorrow, and I will try to finish it as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's stop the class now. Yeah, note as well as both the videos. Yeah, yeah, videos. Okay then.